And here you can see another elephant. It's a mother elephant and the baby elephant was on the other side. And here you can see the big elephant. And here is the mother elephant. And the baby elephant was on the other side. You can see the baby elephant is coming. But I think like it's separated with the fence so that the baby elephant cannot come this side. Oh, look at this. The big elephant is having a chat with the baby elephant. And the mother elephant is enjoying in the mud. It's a red mud, you can see. Whoa. It's a beautiful. Woo!